Welcome to the Danesh Academy channel. In this video, you will learn how to install Python. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're just getting started.
First, open your web browser and either search for Python on Google or go directly to the official website at python.org. Next, we enter the official Python website. On the home page, click on the button that says Download. On the next page, click on the yellow button that says Download Python. Make sure to download the latest stable version for Windows. Now we are on the Python installation screen. Here we have two options: Install Now and Customize Installation. Let's first look at the Install Now option. If you choose this, Python will be installed with the default settings. It includes idle, pip, documentation, and some useful shortcuts. This is the fastest and easiest way to install Python, and it works for most users. However, in this tutorial, we will select Customize Installation, so we can review the optional features and settings. Before continuing, make sure to check the two boxes at the bottom. The first one says, Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. This ensures proper installation with administrator access. The second one is very important. It says, Add python.exe to path. This allows you to run Python from the command line in any folder. Make sure this option is selected. Once both boxes are checked, click on Customize Installation to proceed. On this screen, you'll see several optional features you can choose to install. Documentation. This installs the Python documentation files. Great for reference if you want offline access. Pip. This tool lets you download and install other Python packages easily. Highly recommended. Tickinter and idle. This installs Tickinter for GUI development and idle, the Python IDE, which is perfect for beginners. Python Test Suite. This includes the standard library test suite, useful if you're into testing your code. PY Launcher, and for all users, requires admin privileges. This installs a global Py launcher to start Python more conveniently. Check for all users if you have admin rights to make it accessible to everyone. Make sure to select the features you need, then hit Next to proceed with the installation. Stay tuned for the next steps. In the next step, we wait while Python is being installed. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your system. Please be patient and let the installer complete the setup. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message that says, Setup was successful. This means Python has been installed correctly on your system. You can now start using Python by typing py in the terminal, or by searching for Python in the Start menu. There are also helpful links here, including the official Python tutorial and documentation. At the bottom, there is an option called Disable Path Length Limit. If you click this, it allows Python to work with file paths longer than 260 characters. This step is optional, but recommended for avoiding future issues in some projects. Finally, click on Close to finish the setup. To check if Python was installed correctly, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run window. In the text box, type the word CMD and then click OK. This will open the command prompt. Now in the command prompt window, type the following command: Python --version. Then press Enter. If Python was installed successfully, you will see the version number displayed on the screen. This confirms that Python is now ready to use on your system.
Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.